question number 3 says, construct an isosceles right angle triangle ABC where measurement of angle ACB is equals to 90 degree. Means ACB means angle C is 90 degree. Okay, and the length of AC is 6 centimeter. So we have to construct isosceles right angle triangle. So isosceles means a triangle in which two sides are of equal length. Suppose this is an isosceles right angle triangle in which this side and this side are of equal length. So this is an isosceles triangle, isosceles right angle triangle. So here according to the question angle C is 90 degrees. Suppose this is C. Now A and B can be placed anywhere. Okay, let's place A over here and B over here. So this is an isosceles right angle triangle ABC in which angle C is 90 degree and length of AC, that means this is 6 centimeter. Okay, so if this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter because this length and this length are equal. Now we'll start from 0. Okay, and till 6 centimeter we'll have to take. Now we'll join these two dots. So this is AC of length 6 centimeter. Okay, now we'll take any measurement to do the construction. We'll take any measurement at the base. Now according to the rough figure we have 6 centimeter at the base. So we'll just take the measurement of 6 centimeter. Okay, we'll just take the measurement of 6 centimeter and we'll place the needle of the compass at this dot and we'll cut it. So this is point C and this is point B, and the length of this CB or BC is 6 centimeter. Now at C point we will have to draw the angle. So here we'll make 90 degrees. So for this we'll just take any convenient arc. Okay. Now with the same measurement from this point of intersection we'll have to cut it. Now again from this point of intersection we'll have to cut the previous arc over here and on top. Okay. Now with the same measurement from this point of intersection we'll have to cut the previous arc. So here is the point of intersection. Now if you join this we'll get 90 degree. Okay. Now according to this rough figure this is 6 centimeter and this length is also 6 centimeter, right? So from here if you take the measurement of 6 centimeter and if you cut over here on this line segment you'll be getting point A, right? Because point A we haven't got yet, right? So we will take the measurement of 6 centimeter and from C point we will have to cut on this line segment to get the point A. So since A point we haven't got yet but C point we have got, so we'll place the needle of the compass at C point and then we'll have to cut it. And let us extend this line to get the point of intersection. Suppose this is the point of intersection. So here we'll place point A. Now if you join AB, we'll be getting the required triangle. Okay, so this is 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. And angle C is 90 degree. So this is isosceles right angle triangle. So we'll write triangle ABC is the required isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, so this was the last question of this chapter. If you have any doubt, any queries, leave a comment below. Okay, thank you students.